Emily, I stand here ready to take you to be my wife, my best friend, and my lifelong partner in marriage.
Yours, here right now, the kind of night we dream about.
And although he informed Emily's parents of his intentions with their daughter, they weren't the only family members who needed to sign off. Natty was always number one for Emily, her little chocolate dot. So what was Natty to make of Izzy and James waltzing into her life? Car rides together to the beach, trips to the dog park, eventually being forced to share a house, a water bowl, toys? Thankfully, she accepted Izzy with open palms. Emily was there when James brought Izzy home. That was an important point in their relationship. So it was fitting that Izzy brought Emily the tennis ball that read, "Will you marry me?" when James proposed.
Yeah, time flies when you get it right, so hold on tight.
Are you already crying?
No, not yet. I'm about to, though.
Love like you never grew up and live like you just get one tonight. We're kings and queens. One blink and it's over. Wake up and we're older tonight. We're kings and queens.
Now, this wasn't the day you originally circled on your calendars. Planning a wedding is hard enough without a global pandemic disrupting life as we know it. But it should be no shock that Emily made this happen.